Frank. Alright, so. Alright. Monday night. Monday night is Raw? SmackDown?
Raw, my friend.
Alright, so it's Raw. Alright, so. First break this week. So this week we're going to have premiere. But for now, I'm going to do 2022 SP Game News 14-15 double box break. Let's do this. Whoa, I forgot something. So I forgot. Alright, you know what? Everyone, let's do this. Time to get a big rookie. Alright, so first we start with a rookie autograph for the Florida Panthers. For Nick Bud. Next we have a patch out of 75, Colorado Avalanche, Peter Forsberg. Alright, our third hit is another patch, this time number to 90. It's not a patch, it's a stick. For Nashville, James Neal. Who's now with Las Vegas. We have this hit number 4. Rookie jersey out of 499 for the Edmonton Oilers, Darnell Nurse. And our last hit is a rookie jersey out of 499 for Arizona, Mark Vicentin. So that was SP Game News. Oh, this was box number 1. I'm going to do box number 2. So let's do box number 2. Pick pack. Go. Right, so we guess net card last hit. Right, so rookie jersey out of 499 for Toronto Maple Leafs, Stuart Percy. So by the way, Frank collects those Stuart Percy cards.
Of course.
So you can message him, he's gonna buy them. Next we have the rookie jersey out of 499 for the New Jersey Devil, Damon Severson. What do we have? Authentic fabric patch out of 35 with a 3-color patch for Columbus, Nathan Norton. Next, what do we have? Drop the Mars out of 35 for the Chicago Blackhawks. See, Adam Glendening. It's Glendening. And our last hit is a net card. Oh, that's a nice one. Short print, number 8 out of 25 for the Pittsburgh Penguins, Sidney Crosby.
Best player in the world.
It's probably the best net card you could get. Sidney Crosby net card. Alright, so that was SP Games. I'll be right back in 4 minutes with our double box break of Anthology. But with Anthology, I'm going to need friends also. I'll be back in 4 minutes.